Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're gonna get into some things with this hair. Yes, we're gonna be right back.
You got a girl. How you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? Feeling this reckless. I'm thirsty. Getting all in the falling all over love. Like you just left. Hanging on too bad, calling me you left. Like is you coming home? Is you out with her? I don't care long as you here by 10:30. No later than drop them drugs. Give me what I want. My man is your man. Hurt is her man too. My man is your man. Hurt that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. 9 to 5. Nigga lose his mind every weekend. Girl, you take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send it up my way. Think I got it weekend. You like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. I'm 5. Nigga lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend. I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more of that. I mean I'm saying what kind of these is 2 days. I need me at least about 4 of them. Don't you, don't me, don't us. Just tell me you want me, yeah, one day. And I'll be at your door, ready to take a place, ready to give you what you've been missing the weekdays, what you've been waiting for. 10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. My man is your man. Hurt is her man too. My man is your man. Hurt that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. 9 to 5. Nigga lose his mind every weekend. Girl, you take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send it up my way. Think I got it weekend. You like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Nigga lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send it my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend.
So today I'm reviewing another Outre unit. It is from the Outre 13x2 Lace Frontal Wig Collection. It's pre-styled, free braided headband included, which is this right here. And it's in the style Halo Stitch Braid and 26 inches. It does come in a bunch of specialty colors. It is HD transparent lace, a 13x2 lace frontal ear-to-ear lace. And this is what the stock card looks like. And it does have some specialty colors on the back as well. So there are a couple things with this wig. First of all, the style is just so cute. This is so cute and different. I'm keeping this wig. Sorry, y'all. I am keeping this wig. I love it. It's so cute and pretty. And I'm so glad I got it in the color 1B. All right, some of the pros with this unit is that it's pre-styled. It's so cute. I do like the concept of it. It has the 2 braids going right here on the side, and it has the halo braid that's detachable. You can take it off, and it does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. And I'm just loving this curl pattern. It's soft. It's like a very soft texture. It's definitely more on the yucky side, but this This was a great idea, honestly. Whoever came up with this idea at the drawing board, you guys did great. So let's talk about a few cons. One of the cons is that this unit is kind of small. So I don't know if it was like my particular unit, but I do feel like this unit is kind of small. It's not big kid friendly. Right now I'm on a medium spectrum and it is slipping back. I had to use the combs to hold it in, and yeah, I've been having some issues pulling it and tugging it to the front. There isn't much stretch in the middle, so you know, you can't really play it off. So if it's big kid friendly, I wouldn't recommend, but small to medium, yes. The way the lace is, it kind of wants you to lay down these baby hairs right there. And I'm not a fan of laying down baby hairs. So I use my Eben lace tint in the style medium brown. Sometimes this comes off a little orangey. So I would recommend just using your natural foundation. I have Fenty Beauty. I kind of wish I would have just used this instead. I do feel like it would have blended in with my skin complexion a little bit more, but I did have to go in and tease around with it a little bit. So I did go in with my MAC press powder along the edges of where you can see the baby hairs, and I went in right here and I used my MAC press powder and I just went in with it so you know it could blend in with my skin, because I don't want to lay no baby hairs down. I mean, this unit's cute. It's kind of giving me like goddess vibes, so I just didn't want to lay the baby hairs down. I feel like baby hairs make or break a unit depending on how you style them, and I'm not a pro at doing baby hairs on wigs. I could do baby hairs on myself, but I'm not a super huge pro at doing them on wigs. So I kind of wanted them to be like soft and elegant to go with the flow of the unit. So yeah, I also went in with my Juvia's Place palette in this color right here, and I mixed it with my pressed powder, and I went in the middle with the part just to make it pop out a little bit more. And then again on this side, I did go in with my pressed powder and I took the sponge and I just went in to make it blend in a little bit more. So yes, this unit says it's ear to ear. It's barely getting me at ear to ear. My hip size is like a 21, 22. So yeah, it barely got me there. So just keep that in mind. Luckily, I can just take the hair and cover up most of what I need to cover. So, but yeah, so this is sexy. This is giving me goddess vibes, sexy vibes. Look at my outfit, you guys. I'm ready to be on somebody's beach sipping a pina colada, a mimosa, a strawberry daiquiri, all of them. Because you know all-inclusives are free alcohol. But yes, I'm just like mentally preparing myself for my vacation in a couple months. And yeah, yes, this is so cute. I will say this hairstyle is giving me some sweetie vibes. I feel like this is a type of look she would go for. But yeah, so as far as tangling, because of the hair pattern, it does tangle just a little. It's really not that deep. As far as shedding goes, let's see, there is a little bit of shedding, but again, it's probably because of the texture of the unit and, you know, the poofiness of it. I don't know if this unit will get bigger and bigger over time. I personally don't think it will get bigger and bigger right away, but maybe, you know, after, you know, wear and tear and things like that, it will, but I don't think so in the beginning. Just based off of the texture of it, it's really soft and it feels like really pretty, and it almost feels close to human-like hair. This unit is brand new, so thank you so much, Outre, for kindly sending me this unit. It has not released yet, so hopefully by the time I post this video, I will have a price for you, which would be right here. And I will have a list of websites below in the description box on where you can find this unit. I will also have the price in the description box as well, just in case it doesn't come out by the time I post this video. But yes, if you are on the small to medium spectrum, I would definitely recommend this unit for you. Larger heads, you know, may the odds forever be in your favor. I am going to be wearing this unit on my trip at the end of the month, so I can't wait. I'm about to be out here. Yes, period. Oh, I'm so corny. But yes, thank you for watching, and thank you Outre for kindly sending me this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. It's free to support. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and check out some of my other videos. I've been reviewing a lot of Outre units lately. I've been doing clothing hauls. So, you know, hit that playlist that's somewhere on this screen, okay? And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.